Well, happy no snow day for you. Yeah, sorry, I couldn't be there today. I'm so sad. I am stuck on the top of a hill, and the roads are just way too slick for me to make it all the way there. So, with that being said, what I'm going to do is have you jot down a few notes today, and your quiz will be the next time I'm there, so get ready for it, with the exception of B period, because you already had yours last week. Yeah, so remember it's going to be over adding and subtracting and multiplying. Or I think it's lesson 3.2. So yeah, be ready for that. We're going to go through a few more examples of Pascal's triangle. If you don't have this example written down in your notes, please do so. I'm going to do a few more after this, and then you're going to do about 4 questions due tomorrow. All right, so let us take a look at Pascal's triangle. Y'all, I'm not going to write out Pascal's triangles because you have it there in front of you, but you're going to look at the row where you see the 4, and you're going to get the 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, and you're going to take the first term, 2x, and you're going to do a countdown. So notice I put this in parentheses. It is important that you do put this in parentheses because you have a 2 and an x. All right, so notice the countdown, very easy, and the y value is going to simply be a count up. So starting with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whoops, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now you're going to multiply across each row. You know, anything to the 0 power is equal to 1, so I'm just going to take those off. And 2 to the 4th is not 8. And it's not 2x to the 4th, it's 16x to the 4th. Next, you're going to take this 2 and cube it. That's 8 times 4 is 32, x cubed y. And then you're going to take a 2 and square it, and that's 4. Multiply it by the 6, and you're going to have 24x squared y squared. And the next one's going to be 8xy cubed, and then y to the 4th. We don't want to leave our answer like this, so we're going to just write it out horizontally. And there's your answer. Now this one I'm going to do slightly different. I am going to not do it vertically. You may choose to do this as well. It's totally up to you. But I am going to get the row of coefficients off of Pascal's triangle. And there they are. And then what I'm going to do is start my countdown. So I'm going to do x to the 5th, 4th, 3rd, squared, 1st, x to the 0. And notice this has a minus in it. So I'm going to have -2, all wrapped up in parentheses, doing a count up. So you'll notice that the sum of these exponents always add up to 5. And for right now, I'm just going to put a plus sign in the middle. And I knocked off those 0 powers. And now I'm just going to simply clean up each term. So that first term is just x to the 5th minus 10x to the 4th plus 40x cubed. That's a positive 4 times a 2, or excuse me, -2 squared is a positive 4 times a 10. And over here we have -2 cubed, which is -8 times 10. -2 to the 4th is 16 times 5 is 90, and that's a positive. And then -2 to the 5th is -32. And I didn't have to do it vertically. I just did it out horizontally. And you can do it whichever way you prefer. All right, these are the questions that I want you to try. And you can help each other, but this is homework, so treat it as such. There are 4 questions for you to do, and this is the letter B. It's not a 6. And I will sign off here, and hope you have a wonderful day. We'll see you tomorrow.